In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view changes in activity in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open a sheet and check who changed what and when using the built-in cell history. This is perfect for audits, accountability, or simply understanding how your data evolved over time. Start on the Smartsheet homepage. From here, the suggested section is a quick way to jump back into items you've worked on recently. If you see the sheet you need there, go ahead and open it. If not, no problem. Head to All Workspaces to browse everything you have access to. Opening All Workspaces gives you a complete view of your folders and projects, which is helpful if you're not sure where a sheet lives. Click into the workspace that contains your sheet. Then open the sheet you want to review. You'll land in the grid where each row and column represents your data. To view the change history for a specific piece of information, navigate to the exact cell you're curious about. This matters because Smartsheet tracks changes at the cell level, so you'll get a precise timeline for that single value. Right-click the cell to open the context menu. From there, choose View Cell History. This opens a panel that shows a chronological list of edits to that cell. You'll see who made the change, when it happened, and what the previous value was. If a formula was added, you'll see that too. This is incredibly useful for tracing back to the source of an unexpected number or confirming that a status update was made at the right time. Take a moment to read through the history. You can scroll to see older entries, and you'll notice that each line gives you enough detail to understand the progression. If you need to revert, a simple approach is to copy the value from the history and paste it back into the cell. If the option to view history is missing or grayed out, it could mean your permissions are limited or that the cell hasn't been changed yet. Also note that comments and attachments have their own areas, so they won't appear in cell history. That's all there is to it. Open Home, use Suggested, or All Workspaces to find your sheet, open it, right-click the cell you're investigating, and select View Cell History. With this workflow, you can quickly verify edits and keep your sheet's data accurate and accountable.